I like to move it 3. Due Monday, October 7th. For the first activity, required 3 times 15 minutes each. Read to self and practice your power goal. Be sure to check off each time you read. Working on writing. Narrative. Required 15-minute learning practice. Go to BrainPop Junior and watch capital and lowercase video. Click on Reading and Writing, Sentences, then capital and lowercase. Then complete the capital and lowercase quiz in the resource area. Scan the QR code to have it read to you. This is independent or pair. Reflect when done. Listen to reading. Required 15-minute practice. Listen to a story on Raz Kids on your level. What is the title? Write the title on the blank provided. Take the quiz. Write down your score on the blank provided. This is independent. Reflect when done. Foundational skills, Val Teams, AY, AI. Required 20-minute practice. Green readers complete the AY, AI sort. Explain how you sorted them on Seesaw. Blue readers, AI, AY word builders. And red readers complete the AY, AI close. This is independent. Reflect when done. Required 5-minute practice. Scan the QR code to review the tricky words on your level. This is independent. Reflect when done. Optional activity for 10 minutes practice. Use a computer. Complete the Assembly word building and sorting lesson. Silent letters. Go to CWTES website. Click on Students, 2nd grade, then Silent Letters. This is the 3rd red box. This is independent or pair. Reflect when done. Social studies. Required 15-minute learning. Scan the QR code to watch the video of traditional Native American games. Complete the note-taking guide as you watch. This is independent or pair. Reflect when done. Required 15-minute practice. Fill in the information for one game you learned about on the Native American Games page of your Healthy Living Notebook. This is independent or pair. Reflect when done. Optional activity, 10 minutes learning. Scan the QR code to watch a news video about the Native American game Chunky. This is independent or pair. Reflect when done. Healthy Living Notebook. This is required 10-minute practice activity. Complete any unfinished body parts pages in your Healthy Living Notebook. This is independent or pair. Reflect when done. Required 20-minute practice. Complete the Stand the Man page in your Healthy Living Notebook. Get the body parts sheet from the resource area and then glue each part where it goes. This is independent or pair. Reflect when done. Choice 20-minute learning. Scan the QR code to listen to Native American food. Then fill out the food page in your Healthy Living Notebook. Or read Native American food, then fill out the food page in your Healthy Living Notebook. This is independent or pair. Reflect when done. Healthy Lifestyle Poster. Required 30-minute learning. Using a computer, complete the Science Fusion Digital Lesson, Unit 8, Lesson 1, What Makes Up the Human Body. Go to the CWTES website, Students, 2nd grade, Unit 8, Lesson 1. Click on the first yellow box. This is independent or pair. Independent is the science pages, pair, digital lesson. Reflect when done. Required 20 minutes. After Monday's benchmark, use the headings from the resource area to set up your Healthy Living Lifestyle poster. Use your teacher's example to guide you. This is independent. Reflect when done. Thank you. Good luck.